This celebrity we're going to talk about today is one of my favorite celebrities. He is very charming, big body, and he shaved his head and he still looks good. Let's talk about him. We're talking about Dwayne Johnson, The Rock. So in 1987, he was a young guy, football player, tried to make something out of his career. Moved from Hawaii to Nashville to see how the life can treat him. So in 1994, he was in college, still playing football, trying to gain some momentum there. From 87 to 95, his hair is kind of stable. He has a little maturation of hairline, like any man that after like early 20s, the hairline will go up a little bit. And then when we look at some of the pictures at about 99, we see the temples are going back, the hairline is going a little bit more than what you can consider just a mature hairline. And then when we go to 2000, 2001, and so we see that this hairline is keep going back and his forehead becomes bigger and bigger. 2003, when he's walking on the red carpet for the movie Rundown, he is having a significant recession. So his temples are going back, the corners are going back, so he looks like he has a bigger head and smaller amount of head on top. And then in 2003, he started shaving his head. So he kind of gave up in the idea of having a full head of hair. And because of his roles and still being active in sports and active sports and movies, he picked the roles that go with that rough man with a shaved head of hair, and it did well for him actually. So the way he is now, he is shaving his head, is looking pretty decent, and he's known with his shaved head. And sometimes when people are known with a shaved head, they probably don't want to go back to having hair because that becomes their signature, and he gained his fame and prestige with that look. So for him, changing it is going to be a little bit risky, even if deep down he wants to have a full head of hair. I hope you enjoyed this short video about the transformation of The Rock and his hair situation. If you have any questions, be sure to include them in the comment section. Follow us on social media and register or subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want to know the latest and the newest updates in hair restoration field.